Hey, this is Tom with Nextiva. In this video, we'll give you some quick information about VoIP caller ID. Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP for short, allows you to change your caller ID to contain your business name and phone number before you place an outgoing call. This is awesome for relating to the local area of the person or place you're calling. You can change these call settings at any time, so no matter what number you're calling from, the displayed caller ID can be your company's primary business phone number. A customizable VoIP caller ID helps customers recognize exactly who's calling their line, so the chances that they'll pick up the phone instead of rejecting the incoming call increases. With VoIP caller ID, agents will see a huge improvement in connecting with the right people due to less rejected calls. Your business will also appear more professional and have brand recognition at all times. Toll-free numbers with Nextiva even have the extra option to include DNIS, or Dial Number Identification Service. This is used to let agents know which specific campaign someone's calling about, which makes it much easier to track the success of that campaign. For more information on helpful phone features like VoIP caller ID, take a look at our blog post, linked in the description below. Also, if you found the information in this video helpful, remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on notifications to stay in the loop. Again, this is Tom with Nextiva, and we'll see you next time.